Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope you have enjoyed our last video, and as we have said in the last video that all the science subjects could not be covered in one single episode. So today we will be continuing with the other subjects which you can choose after your 12th science. Subject that which we will cover is BSc in Agriculture. Now according to the Government of India, it is a professional course and the duration of this course is 4 years. Like your BTech and like your MBBS, it's a professional course. Now the things which you will study in this subject are the modern methods which are being applied for agriculture. Also you will learn about water resource management, soil mechanics and a few basics of biotechnology. Now after the completion of this course, you will have many opportunities in both government and private sectors. And a few of the top colleges are TNAU, then PAU and of course JNKVV. Now PAU is Punjab Agriculture University, TNU is Tamil Nadu Agricultural University which is in Coimbatore, and JNKVV is Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vishwavidyalaya which is in Delhi. The next course which we will cover is horticulture. Now it is a 3 years course and it is basically a branch of agricultural science. Now in this course you will learn about the various methods of harvesting plants, okay, and also you will have a lot of opportunities in government areas. The few of the government sectors give preference to students who have completed their BSc in horticulture. You will also learn about the modern and scientific methods which are currently being used worldwide and which can be implemented in the Indian scenario as well. Now the few good colleges are BHU, that is Banaras Hindu University, and Andhra University, and among the private LPU is very good. The next course is fisheries, that is BSc in fisheries. It is a 4-year course and in this subject you will study about the basic practices which occur in the fisheries industry. Now you will have to study about the ecosystem of fish, their breeding habits, their how to capture, the packaging, preservation, marketing. These are the things which will be covered in this subject. There are few government agencies which take students from fisheries, and you can always do research. You can also be self-employed and work as contractual or consultant for various fisheries departments. And few good colleges are CAU, that is Central Agricultural University in Manipur, Shivaji University in Maharashtra, and for private LPU is again very good. Now the next course is geology. Now basically it is a part of applied sciences in geosciences or earth sciences, and in this course you will study various things about the lithosphere, right? The characteristics of various rocks, how to identify them, the characteristics of various layers under the stratification of earth, and many other things we will learn in this course. And after masters you will have a lot of opportunities in many government institutes, and especially in the mining sector, research sector and the refineries, etc. And for masters you can do both MSc and MTech from IITs in applied geology or remote sensing, then GIS, these are petroleum refining or petroleum geology. These are the things which you can pursue your masters in. Now few good colleges for your bachelors are Banaras Hindu University, Presidency University in Kolkata is very good, and JU, that is Yadav University, is always very good. Now for your BSc you can always opt for computer science or IT, which is also present in engineering, which we will cover in some later videos. And for computer science and IT, it is a 3-year course, okay. But the difference between computer science and IT in BSc is basically for information technology you will study about the software part of the computer, and in computer science you will study about all the 3 parts, that is software, networking and hardware as well. But this is one of the few courses after your bachelor's where you will get proper campus opportunities and placement opportunities. Many of the companies do take the bachelors, but the BSc in computer science or IT, they are treated as the same level of BCA, and naturally a BTech in computer science will get higher preference. But there are few good colleges for like Acharya Narendra Dev College in New Delhi, Deen Dayal Upadhyaya also in New Delhi, Loyola in Chennai is very good, Amity and St. Xavier's Kolkata are also very good. Now the next subject which we will cover is statistics. Now statistics is a very important subject which deals with the collection, the measurements, the comparison and various other things you can do with data. Now we know that data is said as the oil of the 21st century, and thus its analytics is very important and is regularly used in various fields, right? And even after bachelor's or master's, you will get various job opportunities like statistician, data analyst, data interpreter in various government as well as private companies. Now the best college for statistics is ISI in Kolkata, and apart from that BHU is also very good, and Hindu College in Delhi is also very good. Now after your 12th science, you can always go for nursing. Okay, BSc in nursing. It is a 4-year course, and within that you will study various segments like rehabilitation care, and also critical care nursing, rehabilitation specialist, as I said, paramedic nurse, and many other things which will be covered for your nursing course. And there are various job opportunities under especially this pandemic situation. Various hospitals are already recruiting in mass numbers, and few of the top colleges are AIIMS in Delhi, JIPMER, and Calcutta Medical is also very good. Now after your 12th science, you can always opt for nutrition. Okay, in this subject you will study about the basic human nutritional needs and how you should plan your diets and how a particular diet helps particular person, right? And you can of course become a dietitian, and many of the hospitals do take students from here as they take proper care of the nutrition of various patients which come in. Now after MSc you will get such jobs and sub job opportunities, and few good colleges are CU, that is Calcutta University, LPU, and JD Birla is also very good. Another subject which you can study after your 12th science is anthropology. Now many of you might not know about anthropology. It is the study of human evolution, right? The humankind or mankind has gone through many changes over all the centuries, many social cultural changes, biological changes. These are the topics which are covered. You will learn about the sub branches of anthropology. They are archaeological anthropology, socio-cultural anthropology, biological anthropology, etc. There are few good colleges for anthropology. They are Vidyasagar University, Symbiosis, Hindu College under DU, and certain jobs you might get after your completion of masters are archivist, archaeologist, curator, linguist in various organizations like various NGOs, UNESCO, UNICEF, WHO, etc. Now one subject which will be very much in demand after the global pandemic is microbiology. Now microbiology is the study of microorganisms and how they interact with human beings, and how to control pathogens, how to stop disease, identify various diseases occurring due to microorganisms, right? You will study like subjects like mycology, parasitology, virology, bacteriology, etc. Now there are good colleges for microbiology. They are Ananda Chandra College in West Bengal, Ferguson College in Pune, Loyola in Chennai, Vidhanagar College in Kolkata, and University of Calicut. Now there are various jobs like bacteriologist, mycologist, biochemist, virologist, and medical coder. You can study several other BSc subjects like geography, psychology, economics, and the details we have already covered in our previous videos. So if you want to know which colleges are good for these subjects, please follow our previous videos. We have come to an end of this video. We have tried to cover as many subjects under BSc as possible. There might be subjects which we have missed, so if you want to know about them, please mention in the comment section. We will try to make a separate videos for them. If you enjoyed this video, please leave us a like. In the upcoming videos, we will be covering other subjects which fall under the miscellaneous category, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and support us.